hungry. Fog. Okay, Hexy, it's okay. I'm gonna feed you. I won't let you go, baby. I won't let this rum steak go. Alright, I'm gonna feed you. I'm gonna feed you. Wait. You proud of me? You did so good. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna feed you. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. Oh, so. I'm always proud of you. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's so good. Oh. Okay. Yes, this is for my best friend, my bestie, Hex Hairwire. Ta-da! Okay, you're full, right? Yes, I'm full. Thank you, Melo. Okay, let's go. Let's go get a naughty bitch. All right. It seems like every one of member enjoy my cock. So I'm glad. I'm so glad. Thank you.